Let's talk about making money on TikTok. With over 1 billion active users and 30% of the world's internet population, TikTok is the world's fastest growing social media app. So if you want to make money online, TikTok is the place to do it. I'm Sophia from Teemill, the online platform that makes it easy for brands to sell sustainable custom products from their own store. So head to teemill.com to find out more, and let's dive into how to make money on TikTok. What's unique about TikTok is it shows you what you want to see. From the moment you open the app, you're met with fun, engaging content, and you can just keep scrolling. And it's so easy to think, go on then, just one more. For content creators and businesses, this is a game changer. TikTok's algorithm is less susceptible to ads, and the number of followers you have is irrelevant to your reach or even engagement. If you create interesting content, it will reach an interested audience. Here's an example. Nathan Apodaca went viral when he posted this TikTok skating and singing along to Fleetwood Mac. And that is the power of TikTok. Simple but entertaining content can get ahead of the big brands even if you don't have a big team or budget. So you can make an income from your TikTok account. Now, TikTok has built-in ways to make money, like the TikTok Creator Fund or brand sponsorships. But to make the most of those, you need to already have a large following. Spoiler alert, if you need to wait to build an audience before you can make money, you're wasting valuable time. Let's think outside the box, or the phone, for a second. Here's something exciting. Students Kaz and Seb set up their brand disguisement using the Teemill platform. They grew it into a real business venture by making viral content on TikTok. This video of theirs got 350,000 views and kickstarted their business. Talk about inspirational. Starting your own online business like Kaz and Seb did means ticking all of the boxes of a great side hustle. You get to design and sell your own products from your own website and build your own customer base. And there are no middlemen, so you keep all the profit. And you can decide what to make and sell and when. One of the ways to make your life easier is dropshipping. When a customer places an order on one of our Teemill stores, it's routed directly to one of these factories, and we fulfill and ship it to your customer. So you never have to deal with boxes. You can focus on marketing and sales. With over 10 billion views, hashtag TikTok made me buy it is one of the most popular hashtags on TikTok. Trends move fast, and with them come unique opportunities to build up an audience and make sales. This is where your secret weapon comes in, printing on demand. Our factories only print products after an order has been placed, which means you can start selling with no money and pivot your approach whenever you like. With a supplier like Teemill, you can combine the flexibility of dropshipping with the speed of print on demand. You'll have the competitive advantage of adaptability, so all you need is the right audience to market to. Hashtag sustainable products has 42 million views on TikTok. Hashtag sustainability has 3.6 billion. Selling sustainable products will give you access to a growing market, and it's an opportunity for agile entrepreneurs to get ahead of big business and meet consumer demand. Teemill products are made from natural materials using renewable energy, and they're designed from the start to be sent back when they're worn out and made into new products. And the Teemill platform includes everything you need to sell products online. Marketing materials, unique graphics, website design templates, brand analytics, customer support, and so much more. And it's all completely free. We even have an app that you can use to run your brand. So grab your phone and head to teemill.com to start making money on TikTok.